This will kill me when they say something about the weed.
Right.
No, it ain't the weed. It's what you put in the weed. They lace it with the cigarette.
Right.
They lace it with the
Well,
crack.
that fentanyl is the worst.
That'll kill you on the spot.
Fentanyl is
They even lace it with sushis and wasabi. Can y'all believe this? A nail tech lived down the street near me, got arrested for selling drugs. Some people you just don't know nowadays. I've been going to this person for 20 years. I didn't know she was a nail tech. Hey, there's a picky client out there. You want to take it? Nah, you do it. Nah, man, I just did. I have a client coming in. I do. I have a client coming in right now. You go ahead and take it. You be all right, man. You be all right. Okay? Just take it. My client, she's on her way right now. My client, she's on her way right now. You take it, okay? Okay. They're on their way. You gonna do it? Yes or no? Come on, man. Just do it. You don't have any clients. You haven't done anybody yet. Jeez.
As a nail tech, it is very difficult to have a slow day at the nail salon. Besides worrying about making money, we have to worry about gaining weight. On a slow day, all we do is eat, eat, and eat. And if we don't eat, we'll go shopping.
That looks nice. Let me see how that looks on my finger. How does this color look in the light? Let me see. Yep, I think that looks good. Yeah, I wonder how this looks with my dress. Let me check. Yeah. Ooh, I think this color's right. I know what I want now. I'm just gonna go with black. Hi, ladies. How you doing? I just got back from Florida, girl. What's going on out there? Oh, there's cops everywhere. But I just need my nails done, girl. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down, okay? Hey, boo. What's up? Let me see what y'all got. Okay, I just want my nails done with some glitter on it. Okay, we good? All right. Hi, how you doing? I need a full set, please. Yeah, I just need a full set. Thank you. Just go ahead and sit down. All right, let me sit down.
During a pedicure, I know the client really enjoys the massage chair, especially the tapping. However, during the tapping, it is hard for us nail techs to polish your toes. We don't want to say anything because we are afraid of a bad review. When we polish, we just go with the motion of the toes. Growing up, I was left-handed, but was forced to use my right hand in a communist country. Now, I have the ability to use both of my hands when doing nails. I can only use my right hand when using the electric drill, but acrylic applications are on the left hand.
I can't wait to start.
I can't wait to scrub your feet, girl. I cannot wait to go down on your feet. Like, I just love your feet. Like, I love your feet so much. Like, I just want to squeeze it.
I had them in the water the other day like this.
I want to crush it, but I won't kiss it, though. But I squeeze it. I just want. Hi, how are you today? You need a pedicure today? Come on in. How can I help you? Food set? Come on down. Right here. Sit down. Sit down. I'm ready. Come on in. Come on. Hi, what you need today? Pedicure? Go ahead, sit on this chair right here. Come on down. Hi, how are you? You need pedicure? Come on down. Hi, how are you? Come on in. What do you need today? Pedicure? Let me see. Chair number 4.
In most Asian nail salon, we might not take a break or a lunch, but we love to take naps. Napping is our way to save energy and money while it's slow. Different places you will catch a nail tech napping would be the spa chair, wax room, storage room, and waiting area.
Go ahead and put your nails together real quick. Girl, how are you gonna book for a fill looking like this? I mean, you got 3-4 fingernails on and the rest are off. I don't know if this is a fill or full set, but I'm gonna call it a full set. I'll get the pedicure ready for you, okay? So let's say if you guys are in a salon and you guys want to know if they are calling you guys black girl or not, they would say Mỹ Đen. Mỹ is American, Đen is black. Mỹ Đen. Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. Hey, I'm gonna grab some food real quick. I haven't eaten anything all day. Is that okay?
I'm sorry. I can't do that. I got like class in like 30 minutes. So I can't play with you today.
Grab a little bite. Come on.
You should have ate before I got here.
All right. Well, all right. I'll just fix it up for you real quick.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna let y'all know that if you guys ever gonna get a pedicure and y'all still rocking regular polish, y'all better bring your own slippers and sandals, because I'm not providing them slippers and sandals. And let me tell you why. First of all, those are not even called slippers. Those are those little thin little foam, and the moment you walk your ass out of the salon, you step on a banana skin or something, your ass gonna fall down. And I am not responsible for your ass hitting the floor, okay? So I'm not gonna get with that mess. And if you are getting a pedicure and you know you love regular polish, then why can't you just bring your own slipper? You make us sit you there for 30 some minutes, taking up on the chairs and everything, and you are in there, put your earbuds on, closing your eye like you at home or something. Wait, ma'am, hold on, ma'am, hold on. I'm sorry, but I need my toe separator back. Yep, I need it back. Sorry. You can't take this out. I gotta save this for another client. Smell good back here. What is that?
One pull.
Oh, yeah, I'll take one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, they baking it up back there. Oh. Hey, you want some? Take your piece, girl. Why are you being shy for? I leave it here for you, okay? You can have it all.
In an Asian nail salon, nail techs are very competitive when it comes to taking in clients. Even if we have a lunchroom to eat, we would eat standing up and stick our heads out so we won't miss a walk-in client. If you're not visible, they will pass on you.
Back in the days, when a client walked out of the nail salon with these slippers, everyone would know they got a pedicure. Today, if you see client with these slippers, they have regular polish on their toes. These slippers are a hazard.
As a nail tech, we sit all day, and our bodies tend to build up a lot of gas. We can't step away during service to release our gas, so we turn in the drill really hot.
What was that for?
I was just
Special
checking.
effect?
There is something about skateboard showing up that scares all the nail techs. Even if we are up to standard, the fear is traumatizing. My first instant reaction is to drop everything you're doing and sit in the spa chair like you're the client. Just make sure the client doesn't snitch on you.
What happened? I don't know why, but every client that I've done lately, they haven't been back to me. The clients are not coming back to you. Why? And I try my best. It's just sometimes they make me mad and I just call them a bitch. You called them a bitch? Girl, you don't call clients bitch. That's rude. If you don't like them, just don't put the primers on their nails and they start lifting in a few days, they won't come back to you. All right? Take my advice for it. So for your service today, I'm not going to charge you for this soak off, okay? Because I know you financially having problem right now. So I'm not going to charge you for your service right here. But for your pedicure, it's $100.
Okay. All right.
Hi, how are you? Welcome. What's your name? Are you a licensed nail tech? How many days do you want to work? Are you going to say anything? Just say something. Anything. Well, I do like your personality. I'm going to go ahead and hire you.